Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Dior oblique transparency, and this time around we are talking about the black sneaker. Okay, you can see this is the box. Dior is well printed on the box here. You can check, and this box is rough, it's not smooth. And here you can see the shoebox label. You see that the shoe picture is there, the size, the serial number and everything. Okay, now when you open the box, you see Dior is well printed on the shopping bag. That's it, and the shopping bag has the same texture as the box. You can see it's also rough. Okay, now you see the dust bag. This is the dust bag, and this dust bag is made of high quality cotton, and you see Dior is also well printed there. Okay, and this is the gift lace, the ribbon, Dior. You can see that's it. Okay, and now this is the receipt, and on this receipt the name of the customer, the address of the customer, and everything. The price of the shoe is here. You can see that there. Don't worry, I'll give you a close look video of all these things. And this is an envelope also for thanking you for buying this extra lace and the B. Okay, now let's talk about the shoe. Okay, it's well protected. You can't get any damage. Okay, that's it. You see how protected the shoe is. Okay, now we take this off. Okay, here you will see that the sole is made up of rubber, and the Dior is well printed here. You can check. Okay, and here you will see that it's made up of high quality rubber, and the transparent oblique here. Okay, on the tongue here you will find the size and the serial number, and the outsole here you will see the bees, and the Dior is also embossed here on the sole. Same with this one. Okay, I will give you a brief close look of this shoe right now. For all those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And for all those who are interested in the shoe, you can just contact me. I will leave my WhatsApp contact on the description below, and you can just ask me any question you want to know. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.